guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can take pictures in the sky in Heartopia. So go to the Winter Utopia area and you're going to go near the slide and there will be like this invisible thing you kind of have to jump on. I'll just go to the other side first. It's like right around here and I'll just kind of fast forward until I get on top of it because it does take time. So there we go. And you'll be glitched up here, and you're just going to keep going up like so. And as you can see, you're able to take pictures of yourself in the sky. Actually, that didn't take long at all, but yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!